Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to remove emoji easily and quick only with Instagram on your iPhone. So the first thing we have to do is just go open our Instagram application. Right after that, you just need to stay in the home sections. Whenever you're here, you just need to slide your screen into the right side until you are visit your Instagram stories camera, and after that you just need to go take a look on this part to explore the picture that containing the emoji and just go click them. You'll see here that this is the emoji and this is the picture. So let's just try to remove this emoji from the photo. To do that, you just need to go click these three small dots and go click the draw. And now I suggest you to pick this pen and adjusting the size of the pen by drag this point into the upper part which is the biggest size of the pen. And after that, you just need to go click this color picker and just start to pick the color area just to copy the color for our pen. And right after that, you just need to start scratching the emojis sections. And if you find that it's not smooth enough, you just need to go erase several part of it by go click this and adjusting the size of the eraser and just start erasing the area that is not smooth. So that is the way, guys, how to removing emoji easily with Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I will see you for the next tutorial.